Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back again. I request you to watch my previous videos on these interview questions. I will provide you the link in the description. Please go through that. Now let's get started. Based on which header partners invoice split happens. That is sold to party, bill to party, payer. The next question here is that sales order has been created, but still material requirements are not transferred to MRP. Or after creating sales order, there is no information updated into MD04. So we might get lot of issues or tickets on something wrong with MD04. Sales order or delivery is missing. To analyze that, we should go with some prerequisite steps one by one. The first check that we should verify is that in schedule and category, that is VOV6, the field requirement assembly should be enabled. If it is unchecked, then requirements won't be transferred. The second, we should verify in requirement class. In requirement class, transaction code is OVZZ. We have a field called requirement transfer. This also should be enabled. If this is not enabled or requirement class at all not determined, then also we don't see requirements in MD04. Requirement class should be assigned to requirement type. Then only first requirement type will be determined into VBAP. Field here is that BEDAE, and requirement class we can see in delivery document, that is LIPS table. We can't see both the fields in one table. Requirement type in VBAP and requirement class in LIPS. If any of the fields are missing, blank, or not filled, reason might be anything due to some config setup or something code written in the user exit, whatever might be the reason. If any of the fields are not filled, then requirement won't be transferred. The next we should verify is that in availability check that OVZ2 transaction, we will be maintaining the requirements for sales order and delivery. That is total sales and total delivery requirement. So here we have 4 options to enable, that is a single records, total records per day, total records per week, requested date on Monday of current week, total records per week, requested date on Monday of following week. So these parameters will determine and decide how the requirements will be transferred, updated into MD04. If it is a single record, then the entry will be updated into the backend database table VBBE. If it is a total records per day or total records per week, so in case of A, it will be updated into VBBE table. In case of B, C, and D, requirement will be updated into VBBS table. And one more thing, like so far we have discussed about the config changes which might be required to transfer the MRP. Now we will discuss about the standard behaviors, and we will continue in the next video. Thank you.